How to get out of gold in Rainbow Six Siege. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. So first and foremost, I'll be giving some of the hint that is very basic. So first one is teamwork. Yes, you will need a steady team or a stack. You can gather in Discord and you can play along a certain team and communicate regarding the operators as well. Selecting an operator plays a huge role to actually helping to get out of gold. Also your team and your synergy and your strategy. So for that, build a constant team and make sure you play along the whole match and every other alternative match. Learn your practice, aim, recoil control and movement as well. So those are some of the basic that you have to master. Second thing is you have to know the map knowledge. Map layout will help you to set up some of the defenders on the right location so that your defense game is on point. If you are defending well, you'll have a great chance of attacking at the best. To give an example, if you are playing in Villa, you have to defend on Aviator and Game Room, that is on the first floor, Trophy Room and Statutory Room, then Kitchen and Dining Room. Those are some of the risk-prone areas where you have to go ahead and defend yourself. So make sure if you are playing Villa, you never miss out these three options or rooms. You can just go ahead and read out the layout of your map and plan and strategize about your defense game with the team. As I said earlier, team is very important so that you can get out of gold and finally hit the plat. And mentioned earlier, operator plays a huge role in your gameplay as well. So try to master a particular operator. To practice your gameplay, you can actually go ahead and start a game mode called Deathmatch. In the gaming mode, you can easily go ahead and practice your gameplay with your team members. You will need at least of 5 members and Deathmatch is actually of 5 minutes and it will not even affect your ranking. In here, you can get access to any of the gadget of the operator, but you will not be able to select the operators like Montage, Blitz and Clash as those are shield operators. So in fact, after the 3, you will be able to use every operator and their gadgets as well. So you can go ahead and practice your match in the deathmatch mode easily with a teammate as well. Wrapping this video as well, let me give you a last hint. Aim for headshot whenever possible. Those are the result in instant kills, giving you instant points and leading you to the plat as well. So make sure to point out every detail that I mentioned in this video and make sure to practice and bring your A game. Make sure to go ahead and give this a try and thank you so much for tuning in.